Did you hear about the new character serial killer now?
No, stop.
Yeah, there's serial killer
It's
right
like the what? Shabu part?
Okay, but wait. We can totally lose the thread. I need to do this. So let me do this and then we'll talk.
now.
Yeah, and then those are
Yes. Do this
What
for
do
me.
you do after you subtract the first?
Stay with me. Here we go. So I'm going to do this problem, and I do it just like normal. I don't do anything weird. I do it like normal. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to subtract the 10. I'm going to get square root 6x minus 5 equals 7, negative 7. I'm rolling along. I think, oh, I need to do my little square root bomb thing. And I do the little squared on this side. I do a little squared on this side. And then I go ahead and I say, oh, that's 6x minus 5 equals 49. I keep on going. So far, it doesn't look weird to me. Everything looks okay. Look, I'm not even getting a decimal. I get x equals 9. And I'm pretty happy with that. It doesn't look like a serial killer. It doesn't look like it's going to hurt anyone. But here's what. What we're going to do is we're going to take this 9 and I am going to plug it in right here. And I better get 3. Because if I don't, then it's a bad problem. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to erase everything here. Hold on for a second. Here's what I'm going to remind you. X equals 9. That's what I think. We're going to plug it in. I'm going to show you how to plug it in. It's very easy. So everywhere I see an X, I am going to write 9 instead. So I write 6 times 9 minus 5 plus 10. And I believe it should equal 3 at the end. I'm just plugging this in right here. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. Because if it works, then I did it right. What is 6 times 9? 54. Here we go. So I'm going to say, okay, 54 take away 5. 54 take away 5 is 49. That's not hard. I could do that on my calculator. No problem. So here's what I've got. 49 plus 10. Okay, everything's good. I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to think in my head, what two numbers multiply to be 49? 7. So here's what I'm saying. Oh, wait a second. I'm going to rewrite this as 7 plus 10. And if I've done everything right, 7 plus 10 equals 3. But it doesn't. It equals 17, which means it's a bad answer. There is no answer, no solution, right? Is plugging it in a pain in the ass? But yeah, oops, yes, it is. So tonight, you will need to do it on 2 problems only, right? One of them will work, one of them will not. If you are taking a placement test or an ACT or an SAT, when you get to a problem like this, take a minute, check your answer, right? Because I'm warning you, sometimes when you do a jailbreak problem, serial killers try to sneak into your trunk, right? So you got to be careful. Is everybody cool with that? Yeah? Who said they're lost? So I got an answer of 9. Did you see where I got that beginning?
Yeah.
Then I'm checking to see if it works. So Emma's going to walk me through. Okay, next problem. I love the next problem. We need bigger bombs. Here's what. I love this problem. So easy. Everybody with me. I feel like I lost everyone. Aiden, stay with me, babe. All that we're changing now is we're not going to do to the second power. We're going to do to the third power. We just need, my little bomb broke out a little fence. These are walls, right? So here's what we're going to do. Nice and easy. Nothing tricky here. We're going to go ahead and move the 10. Super easy. But this time what I'm telling you is this. A 2 is not going to do the trick. I need a what? I need a 3. And how do I know? And here's how I know. Because of this dude right there. He tells you what size bomb you need, right? So if it's a 2, you're going to do a 2. If it's a 3, you're going to use a 3 because that's the inverse. We're undoing it. That's all we're doing. So these guys cancel, nice and easy. 3x minus 7 doesn't equal 6. What is 2 times 2 times 2? It's 8. Nicely done, nicely done. And now it's just a regular old algebra 1 problem. We're going to add 7. 3x equals 15. I run out of room. 3x equals 15. Divide by 3. X equals 5. Now, if we were taking a placement test, we would check it to make sure it works. Do we need to do that here? No, because I'm telling you, you're okay. Okay. I want you with your partners to try the next ones by yourself. Take a look at it. Don't let the 1/3 fool you. Remember, I told you that's just people trying to trick you into thinking it's not a prison, but it is. So take a look at this one. Let's talk real quick. This is a person hanging outside like a little kid. Weird, but get rid of them. What's the opposite of divide by 2? Multiply by 2. Give this one a try. Get rid of this first. Get rid of this guy first. Get rid of this guy second. Right? Give it a try. Write this down. Ivy, do this problem. Do this problem. Do this problem. And you know what? If you don't like this 1/3 thing, if you're thinking, Miss T, that bugs me, you know what you can do? Just do this. Just rewrite it like that. That's cool. Right? You do you. Yes. There's door that's closed. First name.
16 times 4 is 64. Yes,
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Wait, this is
Here we
like
go.
backwards. This is like hurting my
You
neck.
guys ready? Here we go. First thing I'm going to do, remember, order of operations goes backwards. So I'm going to get rid of anything added or subtracted. Those are the little kids. Get those out of the way. Hello, little kids. It's weird that you're hanging out in a maximum security prison, but get out of the way. So here's what I have. I went ahead and wrote it like that because it freaks me out less. And the next thing I want to do is get rid of anything multiplied or divided on. This guy, it's one of those weird guys hanging outside the jail, but he's dividing. I don't know why. So the opposite of divide is times. I had a lot of kids who kept wanting to multiply that guy. Remember, what we're doing is we're undoing the operation. We're undoing it. So here's what I got. 4 equals the cube root of 2x minus 6. Now it's bombing time. So now I grab my bomb. I'm going to raise this to the 3rd power and this guy over here. Man, it's tempting to make that 12, but it's not. It's 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64, equals
Okay, wait. I
2.
kind of got lost.
Okay, I'll stop for a second. Did you see where I got rid of the 2? Did you get 4 equals?
I just don't know how we got to the part where you use it with the 2. With a very full problem. Yeah, that thing.
Okay, so this was down here. You cool with that?
Oh, yeah.
And I need to get rid of that. And the way I do it is by time, so he's divided.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm almost done. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to add 6, 70 equals 2x. X equals 35.
Oh,
I don't want to. Say that.
one day is really underrated. Okay, Tuesdays.
Okay,
You answered, I don't know if you answered this question already.
Thursday.
wait. Hold on, guys.
I don't know if you answered this already, but how do you know when to check the answer?
On tonight's homework, there will be 2 problems, and I will say, check these 2. Otherwise, I would do it on a test, to be honest. Last one I'm doing. I love this problem. This is my favorite problem of all time. Here's how it goes in Mrs. Tarantino land. Your brother is in jail, but he's also in solitary confinement, right? So it's not good enough for me just to get inside the jail. I've got to then get in, work my way to the solitary confinement area, throw another bomb, and get him out. So in this case, I have to break in twice. It's super easy. I love this. This is one of my favorite problems of all time. I don't know why. It just makes me happy. So here's what happens. There's no one outside the jail. I'm going at night. That's smart. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bust through into the jail. That's what I'm doing. I'm just getting inside. What that does is it gets rid of the outside one. Does that make sense? I'm into the jail. 21 plus square root of 7k plus 2 equals 25. Now here's where it's going to get weird. There's a nice lady there who cooks the food. I don't want to hurt her. So I'm going to say to her, lady, please get out. Yeah, get out. I'm bombing again. So she runs for freedom. Get her out, man. Save her. You're not a jerk. 7k plus 2 equals 4. Now I've made it to solitary confinement. So now I am throwing a new bomb, getting rid of that. So now I'm at 7k plus 2 equals 16. And the last thing I need to do, I've got, I'll go.
They made me wear a stupid, like the clothes didn't matter.
Oh, did you wear the like goofy thing?
Oh yeah. They like how you slip it on.
Oh, okay, yes.
So it didn't matter if I wore the
Okay,
long sleeve.
yeah. You could have said no.
What am I gonna wear? A t-shirt?
That's what I said. Okay, say bye, everybody.
What are you learning?
Bye.
Teach them tangent.
Get out of here. Don't judge me. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. He's not here.
Oh my.
Oh, stop. You know, oh my God, I just taped that. Oh, I'm so sorry. It wasn't me. Okay, so the last thing that we're doing, we're leaving the area, and other people are trying to get in the car with me. I don't want them. I only want my brother. Subtract 2. 7k equals 14. K equals 2. Love that problem. Here is your homework. I got so excited. Sorry, people, I'm stopping now. I got so excited about doing it.